Hi, I'm Ian Farrell, and we're in the 4 studio. As you're noticing, we're in the live room. Make sure the first thing you do when you come in is you sign the studio log and fill out all that. But today we're going to set up a headphone listening back, and a talkback mic, as well as normalizing the board. So if you come over here, right here we have our headphone preamp, and it has 4 different headphone channels. You have your pan and your gain for A and B, and on the back you have your ins, your link output, and your phone out, your headphone outs. It also has a power supply, which is right here. Today we'll be using a Shure SM58 vocal mic. Down here, our headphone choice will be a DT770 Pro. To hook up the mic, we'll be using an XLR. And to hook up the headphones from the Snake, we'll be using 2 TRS cables for left and right channels. Also, we need a microphone stand to put the microphone on. So we've set up our mic now, and also our headphones with our headphone preamp. We have our XLR hooked up to the microphone on the mic clip. Make sure you put the mic clip on before you put the mic on. And we have that going into channel 1 on the Snake, right here. Coming out of 13 and 14, we have our left and right stereo mix coming from the board in this control room, coming up here to the headphone mix. Now this is channel A, left and right, 13 and 14, as it corresponds to the Snake. We've also plugged in our headphone amp for power, and we have headphones coming out of channel 1. We have channel A selected on the A or B output, and we have everything right up the middle for our pan and our volume. And here we have Daryl, our assistant. He'll be doing our voice for us today. And now we need to go to the studio. Now that we're in the studio, we need to set up signal flow so that we can get the mic coming into the studio, and also so that we can have the talkback mic to the headphones. So we'll go over to the patch bay, and if you remember on the Snake, we set up the headphones coming out of 13 and 14, and the mic was coming into channel 1. So we're going to send auxiliary 1 and 2 from the board to the Snake, channels 13 and 14. That sets up audio coming from us to his headphones. Alright, to set up talkback, we have our talkback mic. We also need to turn our talkback volume up, our gain for the mic, and also send it back through the groups into auxiliary 1 and 2 for their headphones. And now they can hear us. To get signal flow from their microphone to us, we need to turn their gain up. But to see how much they're going to be talking, we're going to push our PFL and start turning the gain up. Over here on the lights, the LED lights, you'll see how much they're talking. To have audio sent to us, we need to turn up their channel fader, as well as our studio monitors.
Philadelphia. I was born, not raised. On the playground I spent most of my days.
Once you open Pro Tools, create a blank session. Choose Wave, 24-bit, 44.1 Hz, and let's use stereo mix. For this example, we're going to save it on the desktop, and let's call it Proficiency Exam. Once Pro Tools is open, go to Track, select New, and create one mono audio track. We'll use this for the speaker. Once you've created your track, click Record Enable.
After you set up Pro Tools, you need to come over to the board one more time to set up your signal out from the computer. So we have signal coming from the computer to channels 17 and 18. So we need to turn these up. Make sure all these are pushed in for sub and left and right. Our channel 17 is our left, so we need to turn aux 1 for his left headphone on, and aux 2 for channel 18 for his right headphone. Once you've got that, turn your gain up to unity, and that's all you need to do.